This is the shiur on Tefillah. We are up to the Tachanun that we say on Monday and Thursday. We talked about the Tefillah of Daniel Hanavi. Now we are in the middle of the Tefillah. We say the Tefillah of Rahman. We you are Father, not only the Father, Father are merciful. There are some Father, but not merciful. They say, Avinu, you are our Father, Abba Rahman. Father are merciful. We ask HaKadosh Baruch Hu show us a sign, the Tovah, for good, and gather all of the scattered from four corners. Now, why? What do we want that for? We are in order to recognize and to know all of the nations, Hashem. Because you are the Hashem, you are our Father. In other words, you put our name on us. Therefore, they know they are our Father. Therefore, we are the clay, and you molded us. And the work of your hand we are. Therefore, we are in the world, the work of your hand. Now, therefore, we say, Avinu, our Father, Malkeinu, our King, Surenu, you are our rock, Ugalenu, our Redeemer. Have pity on your nation, and don't let your nation heritage disgrace that the goyim should rule over them. That's the highlight of this Tachanun that we are saying. Why the nation should say, where is their God? All over in the history of the Israel, we hear when the goyim come. In other words, when the Nazis came on the Tel Zerah and they wanted to kill him, they told him, where is your God? Tel Zerah told him that, don't worry, it's your God also. And he killed him. But this idea of the goyim living, that there is a God of Jews to come and help them, is all over. In the history, we see all the time. Where is the God of the Jews? In other words, all in the history we find, in Gemara we find, always, therefore, there is a point to goyim ask when the Harizal are disgraced, the disgrace of HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Goyim say, where is your God? Now we say, Yadanu Hashem Tifatan. Very interesting point. Hashem, we know that we sin. Therefore, we know that what caused that is not that you are weak. That caused by you. You are disgraced through our sin. It's an interesting idea. Person realizes that when we are saying Tachanun, good. One point is that we sin. Good. Person should not sin, of course, should not sin. But there's another nekuda in the sinner is that we are causing disgrace for our Father, HaKadosh. Because Hashem put His name on us. We are in heritage of HaKadosh Baruch Hu. You put our name on us. We are your workshop. You introduced us as your work. Therefore, they relate whatever that happens to you. And therefore, we know that we sin and we are causing that. No, we know when and we do know that there is nobody to stand for us, only your great name, at this time of trouble. Therefore, we do realize that there is nobody to help us except HaKadosh Baruch. And that also is a very important recognition in the Tachanun. A lot of times we rely on politics, we rely on things. I said something like this. Let's say, imagine the Israeli army is fighting Arabs, and they make a very, very interesting technique with the wisdom, with the high intellect that they have, and they put something out and they succeed the war. When you look at the video, you become so excited about the army, about the general, about their wisdom, about what went through, and they got such a victory. In other words, you become very excited. Now you come to a Beit Midrash and you see people are learning. People are dwelling in the Chuppah of HaKadosh Baruch Hu. They're learning Torah. Now, do we have the same excitement or not? Do we understand that the only, in other words, we say Tachanun, we know that nobody could stand for us, only your great name. So this is a recognition that only HaKadosh Baruch Hu could help us, nobody else. And that recognition is very important. Once we have that recognition, we start our davening first with Allah. Avod means our relationship with HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Then we say Gevura. In other words, once you want to pick somebody, we need three elements. First, you know there is Hashem. Then you have somebody, but it's not mighty enough to help you. That's not mighty, cannot help you. Forget it. Then we say Gevura, or might. Then we say Kel HaKadosh. What's a Kel HaKadosh? That's three praises. Sometimes you know that this person you could relate to. And you know this person is mighty enough to help you. But then you are begging him, in the back of your mind you have, if he doesn't help, I don't have to use all of my power. I don't have to use all of my strength. There is somebody else to help. Let's try this one. If there is, right, you learn some choices, you pick, you go to him. He doesn't want to go to somebody else. We say the holy people, even the angels, they praise you, HaKadosh Baruch. You are the only power that will help. When a person realizes this is the only door, this is the only authority, this is the only address that the person has, then the attitude is different, perspective is different, with that approach is different. Every day in davening, we say that. We say HaKadosh Baruch Hu means that we know HaKadosh Baruch Hu, we relate with him. Then the Gevura, Mechayah Hametim, we know they are the mighty one, we have the might to help. But Kadosh, you are designated, you are the one, the only one to help us. Therefore, that's it. Here also we are saying that we know HaKadosh Baruch Hu, that the only one that will help us. Now, how do you want to help us? We have merit, no, like a father that has mercy on the children, Rachem Aleinu. We should have mercy on us, more compassion on your nation, and should have mercy on your inheritance. We ask HaKadosh Baruch Hu, Hashem should help us. At the end of the day, person goes to HaKadosh Baruch Hu and says, you know, I did this, I did so much Torah, person cannot go feel that has the credit with Hashem. But they were all feel that they are dominating, like the father and the son, that it's not because of the merit of the son, because of the relationship, because of the ahava, because of the kurban. Not because I merited, I have it, no matter how much Torah, how much mitzvah the person does, the person, with HaKadosh Baruch Hu, cannot feel that I'm credited by you, now I want to use my credit. Then the credit becomes butter, nullified. Therefore, here we are saying that, first of all, therefore, the point like this, that our sin is made Hashem disgrace, because Hashem, and the Goyim say, where is your God? And that our sin caused. And then the other thing is that we relate to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, and we ask him, like a father, you should help us, because you are our father, not because of our own merit, you should help us because the ahava that you have like a father to the children.